what? I have to pee.
Go take.
I don't feel like.
Oh my God! I got him.
Stop!
I'm over there. I got him out. Oh my God.
Oh, my nose ring got stuck to the bed. I can't breathe. I'm crying.
My eye is burning.
I'm crying.
Why
Shut
my
up. You just made me get my nose ring stuck in the bed.
How did I do it? I just.
Because you looked at me.
It all started when I fell off the bed. You trying to get on and not fall this time. Okay. We should have had that on video.
I can't breathe. Let's find a song. Okay, we're gonna sing this song. Okay? Just throw up. You know what it is.
I just drove on.
I'm gonna pee on myself. And shut up. You slobbered all over my unicorn. Where's my moose?
So worse than you slobbering all over your arm and your moose.
No.
Let's get over it.
Okay, let me play my song now.
I'm so embarrassed. Did you videotape the
Yeah.
whole thing?
It's been on video since you fell off the bed. Please stop! I'm about to kick you.
I have to get it out of my throat.
To get something to drink then. You just spit in my floor.
Almost did. I'm glad we're not on that stick 'em in the thing.
You're glad we're not on stick 'em.
Yeah. I'll be embarrassed. Why never so I don't fall off this time.
Can't breathe.
Ew. I had to laugh. What?
Ew, why's your hand on me?
Okay, I'm done with the song. I wasn't even singing.
I have one new notification on Facebook. I'm popular.
Are you videotaping right now?
Drake Lowry likes my comment. Alyssa. 7 people want to date me.
Who?
Oh my god. Who's Drake Lowry?
4 people.
Works at the Krusty Krab.
What?
Please don't be ugly. Oh my god. Ugh.
Is he ugly? Oh yeah, God, look at that. That's all.
Please help this poor child. What new message? From Michael. Hello. Bye. My ear hurts because of you. It got stuck to the bed.
Your nose ring did.
And my ear.
I didn't help it. I mean, I couldn't help it. My boo bitches.
Look how mean she is. She made that hurt.
I did not. She did it herself. She didn't have to fall.
If your butt didn't fall, get your orange. Okay, I'm ending this video before you choke to death and die on video. Okay, bye.